Yo, fellow stickers, what's up? Welcome back. Hey, today we're going to go over on how to repair a string on your bow if you're out shooting. If you have to remove a string that's going bad, like you've got some broken strands, or if you've got to replace a peep or change a peep and you don't have a bow press. I've got something that I call a portable press, and it is actually right here in this little bag. Boom! Check it out. Hey, this is going to be a cool one. Stick with me. Here's what we got. Let me go over what we got here so you can see what I've got going on. I've got a chunk of rope here, okay, with a loop tied on the end. And I've got a repair link for a chain. Can you all see that? Yeah, I think you can all see that. Repair link for a chain. Keep that open. I've got a little piece of rubber hose on there. Okay. That's what I've got there. We'll put that to the side for a second. Now what I've got here is the most important part. Bang. And you say, what is that, right? This is two pieces of hardened steel. They're actually drill bits covered in shrink tubing. That's what they are. Okay, and here's what we're going to go over. I need my lovely assistant to get out from behind that camera and grab his bow. And now he just kicked the camera. Thanks, lovely assistant.
Sorry.
Step over here. He's going to draw his bow back. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to take these pins and we're going to put them in through the cams. You're going to slip them in through the holes in the cams. He needs to draw back to the wall harder. Okay, we're drawing back hard. Draw harder.
Harder?
Yeah. Okay, let up. Let up. Let up. Let up.
Okay.
Now, the pins are in the holes of the cam. Don't let off totally, but you can see he let off. Now the bow's pressed. We could take this, let go. Look at that. Bow's totally pressed. I don't know if you can see that. See what I did? I put the pins through the cams. They're resting on the limbs. Now, this string is totally loose. You can change your string. You can change a peep. You can do whatever you want. You're out on an IBO course. You got so many minutes to fix your bow up if you've got a breakdown. You can't get to a bow press. You're out a mile in the woods. Now, you could press your bow if you've got someone with you, which you always do. You usually shoot in pairs or groups. You could have somebody throw those pins in for you. And see here, I could totally remove this string, but we're not gonna do that. This is my main man's bow right here. All right, grab a hold. He's gonna pull back again, and we're gonna free this puppy up. Draw it back, total tight. Yep. Okay, now all you gotta do is put your new string on, new peep, do whatever you need to do. Pull your pins. He's gonna let down. Bow's as good as new. Cool deal? Next trick. That little piece of rope I showed you. Alright. Throw that over a old limb on a tree or something. An I-beam in your basement. Anything you got going on. Put it up somewhere. Bring it down and hook it through the loop. Take that thing and zoom in. Zoom.
Is that good?
The other way. Zoom. There you go. Hold it. Back up a little bit. Alright. Right there. All I did is I threw the string around something solid, hooked it back over here, and now what you can do, if you're by yourself, you can take your own bow, zoom back out totally, there you go, tilt the camera down, right there, go down a little more, a little more. If you're out there by yourself, throw this thing over a limb, push down on the bow, see what I'm doing? Take your pins through the cams, bam! You just pressed your own bow. You don't need a bow press. You don't need that Apple archery bow press or whatever. Nowadays, I don't know what they're called, but you could take this bow all apart now, except for the bus cables in the wheels. Hopefully that's not the problem you're having. This is just for like if you got string problems happening. But it's as easy as that, folks. Here's what we're doing. Gonna stick it back on that. Take it into the wall. Press down. Pull your pins. Let the bow back up slowly. And you've just changed a string or a peep or something in the field. Cool little tip. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these videos, thumbs up, subscribe, hit notification. We'll get you some more videos coming up soon. Stay tuned. Thanks. City Sticker. Peace out.